Hello everyone, Abix here, back with another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the dehumidifier and then the information on the back of what it provides. So I'll be right back once I've unboxed it. So I've just unboxed it and got this instruction manual. Not going to go through that because I'm pretty sure it's easy to follow. Along with that, I did get this. So review the products and then you get a gift card. And here's the product itself. So it's a bit awkward to do this with one hand, but that is the water tank. That will be your digital display. So, operating buttons there for different stuff. So that's pretty much it. I might do a follow-up video, I'm not sure yet. That's it, Abix is out.